or Adadco. My name is Adi. I'm working alongside Jeff, Nitish, and Anson. And our project is a network anomaly detection system designed to help operators quickly identify denial of service attacks. So we'll begin by kind of giving a demonstration of how our product works. To begin with, an operator will be prompted to select a file in which will capture their network data for a certain day or a certain amount of hours. The model will then, or the data will be run against the model then, and then it'll eventually give data visualizations once it is finished running. So as you can see, the analysis is complete. It gives a small summary here, and now we can look at the data visualizations.
Yeah, so here we have a lot of data on like the anomaly rate, the anomalies detected, and we can see that we have mostly DDoS Hulk and other attacks. Yeah, and here we have a attack type pie chart that just shows like the percentage of each attack that occurred, and we have our confidence and attack breakdown, summary information, and analysis metadata. So all this is really good information for operators, and it'll essentially, the severity level will alert them to see like what steps they need to take in the future.
Yeah, so I'll kind of go into the breakdown of how we actually tested the model that we trained for this. So for this machine learning model, we did 60% of the data set was used for training, 20% was used for validation, and 20% was used for testing. And those numbers can be seen here in the attack breakdown. So for this data set, for example, you have DOS Hulk, which has nearly a 99% accuracy or 99% confidence. And so for different types of attacks, the machine learning model tends to be more confident. As you can see, as you go into attacks that are less seen in the data set, the confidence slightly decreases to 81% or 84%.
The final feature we added to our data analysis tool was records. This really helps allow operators to look at past analysis to see how network health has progressed based on whatever changes they made. A lot of the same useful data that exists in the data visualization when a fresh record exists. For example, an operator can see that the network at this point in time had a low severity, and we were mainly seeing benign connections. However, if changes to the network were made, they could compare it with this analysis and see that there's a high surge of DDoS attacks and take the necessary steps forward to alleviate those problems.
So overall, we can see that we've created a kind of compact and efficient way for operators to track their network traffic, make sure that nothing is suspicious, and be able to handle any anomalies that come their way by seeing the severity and the different types of attacks. The goal is to help operators work efficiently to resolving these issues, and we feel like this product captures that. Thank you.